friends, welcome to SAISHA'S words. Hey guys, today we are going to do the explosion for Winterbo's birthday, and you're again in SAISHA'S words. Now that's the bowl here. Hi Winterbo. Hi. How are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Okay,
what are you doing today? Nothing. It's someone's birthday is really special, so I'm doing the explosion.
Oh. Whose birthday? Whose?
My friend.
Your friend? It's me?
No. Some other type of friend.
Oh, what are you doing? Can you make celebrate this for my birthday, please?
I don't know it's your birthday.
It's my birthday too.
I will tell you it's your birthday.
I'm your friend, you know. We are friends.
Yes, but I will to know it's your birthday.
Why are you shouting on me? I'm getting scared. We are friends. Let's shake hands. My hands is there. Let's shake hands. Hey, let me shake hands.
Bye. Finally, Winterbo is gone, so we can start. First, we need this. Then, it's vinegar. Add. So, let's put the vinegar into this. All of it. This looks disgusting. And very little of the water. Oops. How is clean that? I think that's enough. Now,
Wait! What is this? I'm coming!
Hi, Winterbo. I just see you in the camera.
I'm here. What you doing?
So I am getting ready for someone's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Winterbo. Happy birthday, Winterbo. Are you ready to see the explosion?
Yes. What happened?
Oh!
Wow!
Whoa!
It was an explosion.
I'll put more in.
Ah,
I can't believe it.
what happened?
Exploded.
Yes.
Do you want to drink it?
No. I don't want to drink it. Warming over there.
Okay, I will not drink it.
Can I kiss you?
Okay.
That's that. Very good.
So if you like this explosion too, you give us the biggest thumbs up you can give us and hit the bell button and subscribe to my channel.
Me too. I'm Winterbo.
At Winterbo.
Okay. Bye-bye.